Gmail can help you compose emails in seconds using Gemini AI. Let me show you how. Go over to Compose, and then if you look down at the bottom, you see this icon. It's called Help Me Write. Click on that, and then you decide what you want Gmail to write. We've worked and completed a project with Dexter. We'll enter in Help Me Write our email, thanking him for helping us with the project. And we took a while to respond to some of his emails, so we'll have it apologize as well. You enter the prompt and then you hit create. Gemini will create the email. You can read it over to see if there's anything that you want to change. Ours says, I am writing a thank you for working on the project. So we can enter or edit the name of the project with us. We truly appreciate your contributions and the effort you have put into this collaboration. Also want to apologize for the delay in my previous emails. I appreciate your patience as we move forward. It signs off, and then a couple ways you can refine it with one click. You go down to the bottom. If you want it more formal, you can click on formalize and it'll rewrite it in a more formal tone. You can decide if you want that. The other two options are elaborate if you want it longer, or shorten if you want it shorter. Another option you have is this recreate button. It'll basically take the same idea and then try to compose it again. And the more detailed your prompts, the better email you're going to get. Once you have something you're happy with, you can click on insert. It will insert it into your email. We'll go to the top and edit the project portion. And then as normal, you would enter the recipient, the subject, and everything else. You can also do the same thing with your replies. You just hit reply, look down at the bottom, you see the same icon. It works the same way. And then lastly, if you want to turn it off, you'll go to settings. You'll go see all settings under general. If you scroll down, you'll just turn off all of your smart features. You have smart compose, smart reply, and smart compose personalization. And that's pretty much it. Write emails in seconds.